guys, so we busy on the Mk1 Escort for Divian Govender. We're busy cutting out the cradle, getting the new fiberglass cradle fitted due to the metal one being rusted to a point where there's no return or no repair possible. So we're fitting the new fiberglass cradle, and then as you guys will see there on top, we've got the new fiberglass bubble as well, just to make it look like the old Mk1 that it is, because the previous people that the car was owned at cut the bubble away and stuff like that. So we're restoring it to original specs, although it's with fiber, it's getting sorted out properly and neat. And then Norman, our flatter, is busy flatting the car down, so we can see where our issues is with the lines and stuff like that. So yeah, stay tuned, a lot more progress to go. We've got Ricardo's Mk2 Orange 2000 build also progressing. We've got the fenders on it, we've got the front nose piece on it, just more or less to see where it goes. There's a lot of fitting that we still need to do, and then as well, as you guys will see on the post, we have to rebuild both posts on both sides to get that sorted out. So yeah, stay tuned guys. Busy here at Animal Racing Customs. I would love it if you guys are new. Please hit that subscribe button, we would appreciate it a lot. Like, subscribe and share the shit out of it for more progress videos, and then yeah, let's see where these cars go.
You want me beating on the floor for you, but I felt free the second that you left the room. I'm taking back my life. All you did was use it. You break it, you lose it. Sorry, your time is up. Now I'm coming back to life. I'm taking back my life. Sorry, your time is up. Now I'm coming back to life. Too late, begging on the floor for me. I'm not the same, I'm standing on my own too.